Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
Stockbrokers Zambia Limited is pleased to present its weekly stock exchange news and market update for the week ended Friday 28th February 2025. My name is Lusekelo and I'm anchoring this week's stock market update. The LuSE All-Share Index is closed at 15,416.04 points. On a year-to-date basis, the LuSE Index is down 0.16% in kwacha terms and down 2.51% in USD terms. In comparison with other African stock markets, the South African Jersey All-Share Index is down 1.13%, whilst the Nairobi All-Share Index is down 0.22%. Gainers and losers in the week. On gainers, BATZ gained 12 ingwe and closed at 3 kwacha 92 ingwe. Zambian Buhari, Zambru, gained 1 ingwe and closed at 6 kwacha 90 ingwe. On losers, CEC PLC lost 1 ingwe and closed at 13 kwacha 80 ingwe. Standard Chartered lost 1 ingwe and closed at 2 kwacha 24 ingwe. And Zambia lost 2 ingwe and closed at 1 kwacha 88 ingwe. Turnover and market activity. Total trading turnover on the LuSE in the week was 6.23 million kwacha and 1.23 million USD, of which BATZ contributed 39.96% in kwacha terms and REIS contributed 82.25% in USD terms. The market recorded a total of 680 trades in the week under review.
Investors Diary. The Stock Market Investors Diary is brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia. Cautionary announcements.
Following companies have issued cautionary announcements: Standard Chartered Bank, REIS, and CEC Africa. For details of these cautionary announcements, please refer to the Stockbrokers Zambia Limited website at www.spz.com.zm. Other market announcements. The following companies have issued market announcements that can be accessed on the Lusaka Stock Exchange News Service. CEC released the change in directorate announcement. The full list of announcements can be accessed on the Stockbrokers Zambia website at www.spz.com.zm. Buy-sell positions in the market. The following bids have been placed in the market should you wish to sell your shares. Pamozi, 600,000 shares at 4 kwacha 62 ingwe. The following offers are currently for sale on the market should you wish to make a purchase. Zambia, 400,000 shares at 1 kwacha 88 ingwe. Please email trading at spz.com.zm for the full list of currently available offers and bids. Social media engagement platforms. Stockbrokers Zambia Limited has the following social media platforms which are open for client and or public engagement: WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Feel free to follow our weekly podcast on Spotify and YouTube as Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
Understanding the stock market. A brief guidance brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.
This market guidance note is for week 9 of the year 2025. The last week, we noted a quotation is the simplest, quickest, and most cost-effective way to get a company on the Lusaka Stock Exchange, the LuSE, and that there are no entry fees or application required to be quoted on the LuSE. This week, we shall briefly look at the question that says, what should a company do if it wants to list its shares on the Lusaka Stock Exchange? So what are the steps involved? Step 1. The company should convert from being a private company to a public company. This means the company should change its articles and adopt the articles of a public company as set out under the Companies Act. Step 2. Once a company has adopted the articles of a public company, it can then, as step 2, proceed to register its shares with the Securities and Exchange Commission of Zambia, the SEC for short. Step 3. Once the shares of the company are registered with the SEC, the company will proceed to formally apply to the Lusaka Stock Exchange to request the listing of its shares. Step 4. If the company satisfies the set specific conditions required for a listing, the company will be listed. Next week, we shall discuss the conditions to be satisfied to qualify for a listing on the LuSE. There you have it. A listing means the shares or bonds of an issuer exclusively trade on a formal exchange and not outside a stock exchange. Give us a call and find out how you too can take part in the growth of the Zambian economy via the Lusaka Stock Exchange by buying or selling shares or government bonds. Have a successful investment week.
Investors should be cautioned that share prices may rise or fall and therefore should always seek professional advice before investing in shares.
Stock Market News brought to you by Stockbrokers Zambia Limited.